What's up, YouTube? It's your boy coming at you with another informative educational video. As you see here, we have a 20-volt battery. Okay, then I bought some wire at the auto parts store. Regular wire. You buy the alligator clamps separately. As you can see, you get a pack of four, two reds, two blacks, blah blah blah. They're color coded just so you know. You keep it kosher in the bitch, and don't run your negatives to a positive and shit like that. Anyway, you jack them in to where your batteries mark positive and negative. Some of them don't have those markings. It'll be up to you to try and figure that out. As you can see, it's live in the bitch. Okay, we got power here. I probably just blew that battery out. That's all good. This was a really cheap model from Walmart, and if it even all it did in its life was make that spark, then it's better than whatever it was built and intended for, because it sure ain't getting that job done. Thanks, Walmart. Anyway, I'm gonna take you over here to what we testing out today, because that's what we got this whole setup for. We testing out sensors. Okay, mainly this is an IAC valve right here. Okay, off a Honda 99 Honda Civic, not mine. I got this one out the junkyard. Uh, because these can be pretty pricey. You buy them brand new. Mine was acting like it was stupid, so I went ahead and got my hands on one of these. Now, I always kept it as a backup. Had it for over a year, never knew if it worked for sure. Anyway, we're going to find out today, because this is a way you can test your sensors. Now, as you can see here, and you can, there will be 3 prongs inside of this. Where's the camera at? Three prongs inside of there. You want to stick the positive to the middle terminal there. The middle terminal. So we're going to take the positive, stick it on to our middle pin there. Then we're going to take the negative, and we don't even have to stick that on, but let's cover up the positive. That's why I got these rubberized coating covers on alligator clips. And let's go ahead and touch let's touch one of the pins. Yeah, just get one of those pins tucked. Oh, look like this came out, YouTube. Look like this came out. So let's go ahead and stick that back in. Just like that. Anyway, let's go ahead and now what you should see is some movement up in here. Okay, this little spindle is gonna turn. Okay, and all that's doing, what it's supposed to do in the car, trying the other side pin. It kind of turns it the other way, and then the pin over here moves it back. Okay, so depending on what it calls for at the time of operation of that particular car is which way the spindle is going to go, full open or full closed, left, right, whatever it needs to do. The car knows better than I do, so I ain't going to explain this shit. Take it away, car. Just kidding. Anyway, that's how you can test just about every sensor that I know of on a goddamn Honda, as long as they have, and they all do. So if your sensors have an electronic harness where you can plug in right there, 3-pin setup, that's the way you're going to check them with just some alligator clips, some wire you can buy at the store, the hardware auto parts store. And all I did, honestly, to get these going, the only thing I did that you might not be able to prepare to do is I got a soldering iron right up there, and I soldered the tips so it make them a little bit firmer. Anyway, made them a little bit firmer so they could just stick in there, because otherwise it gets kind of tight in there, and you sticking bendy ass wire in there, it's going to be an issue. So anyway, yep. Now I just wanted to test it out, see if that was a reliable method to test sensors and all that and such and have you, because I got to move on to testing my the actual sensor that I really want tested is the I don't know, torque converter clutch solenoid, which I know that's not going to be an issue, because 99 times out of 100 it's always going to be the torque converter clutch. You got to do a full rebuild, overhaul type deal on the goddamn transmission. So That's going to be fun.